fine.
Alright. Okay, I thought it was doing it again. Getting ready to start her up. Forge weld this billet thing. I'll show it to you in a minute. As long as I don't snake on those doors. There we go. Ready? Hang on. There it is, you can see it?
Yeah.
Getting ready to forge weld. You can see I got her tacked. I'm gonna forge weld it, and then I'm gonna grind those tacks off so they don't get mushed into the billet. So as soon as the forge heats up a little bit, I'll put her in there. I'll let her sit right there and just percolate a little bit. Know what I mean, man? What a job. You can tell I wanted to go fishing. But the weather ain't cooperating. I need to... You want to move the camera around this way?
Yeah, you want me to stop it first, or?
No, just pick it up, move it. Just... Alright. Fishing time. Soon. But this my borax bucket. Keep it in there to keep it dry. Well, what I do is I pull all the old stuff that I used from the time before out, put it in a colander, get the big chunks of nasty out of it, grind up some of the other stuff that's you know, just clumped up. And get some of the scale and shit like that that's got in it. Matter of fact, it ain't gonna be long. I'm gonna have to add some. Alright. Be right back. Pour that right back in. Right down. Set it over there out of the way. Alright. We're going to shut her down for a minute. Let this thing heat up and then we'll fire it back up. See you in a few.